Hello everyone. Today is Thursday, September 28th. Time is around 5:40 GMT, and we will have a look at the DAX futures on the Onda platform. So yesterday I started my video in the daily to see here we reached the 0.618 FIB retracement from this low here till this high. So my primary take is that we finished a wave one here, but there was still a secondary scenario that like this was the wave three instead, and that we are working here on a wave four. But now, like we went beyond the 0.618 FIB level, which made it a bit difficult here to argue for a wave four. Like this is normally the maximum that a wave four goes, like the maximum retracement, the 0.618 FIB level. So therefore I would say like I stick with my primary scenario, which is the wave one high was in here. And ideally we go to this area. This is the wave two area. So if we take the length here of our wave one, then we should go here to the area between the 0.5 and the 0.854 FIB retracement. Now, as you can see, there is still quite some distance to travel, and I'm also not sure that we will reach this area here. Sometimes it happens that we do not reach this 0.5 FIB retracements. Actually, I would be just happy if we could reach this area here. Then, this area actually fits in my system. Like, then we reach the equal leg area. If we take the length of the wave W, the length of the wave X, then typically we go into the area between the 1 and the 1.618 FIB extension. So I will spend more attention on this during my weekend analysis or my higher time frame analysis on how exactly we could get here or even here, which are the possible paths. But for now, we can just further focus here on this structure. So if we look at the 4 hour, what we see now is, so actually everything is already here to have a complete corrective structure. So we took out the wave W low here, and we also have here as an Y leg, we have three swings, 1, 2, 3, as you can see. Ideally, we reach this area, because here, we might start to turn from here, but we do not really have an like an entry area. This is our entry area, and so as long as we do not reach this area, I'm a bit I do not initiate the long trades yet. I really want to be in this area before I start considering long trades. However, if we would start to print here a structure that gives me confidence that like that the low was in here, of course, then I have to start initiating long trades from here. But for the moment, this structure is not there yet. This is just a falling knife for the moment, and it can simply fall further. You like there is nothing for me, if I look at the data, that really indicates that we have some kind of bottom here. Now, recently, I mean, in recent hours, we started to break this RSI trend line here. Okay, this is a good sign. This is a sign of giving up this downward cycle here. But even then, like even if we break this RSI trend line, it can still be that we make a low, another low here with divergence. This would actually be my preferred scenario, and this would also be yeah, the bottoming structure that I would like to see, even if we do not reach this area. Break of this trend line and a new low here with divergence would be a kind of bottoming structure, which would give me confidence to go long. But yeah, if this happens, it also looks like we will get quite close here to this area. So yeah, this would actually be kind of the perfect scenario to initiate the long trade, I think. And so on the 1 hour, it looks like it would look like something like this, I believe. So let's say that the wave three low like was in here. So we have this extended wave three, and then now like a wave four might be happening here, like corrective structure up. And if we would then like have this final push down here as a wave five, we will get quite close to this area. Buyers will step in here on the 4 hour. That would mean that we have here a low with a low in price, and here divergence in RSI. So this is the scenario that I'm looking for, that I hope for. Well, I know hope is worthless in financial markets, but yeah, it's always nice if you can trade some kind of setup that you trade a lot of times before, that you know that has high success rates. And this would be like one of these setups if this would play out. So five waves down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, reaching this area, the equal leg area from our wave W or wave X, break of the RSI trend line in the 4 hour, printing a low with divergence here. This is like kind of the perfect textbook pattern. So this is what I'm waiting for. And then yeah, in the lower time frame, yeah, look, we still have our divergence, but we made again another low. This is the tricky part about this extended waves. Yeah, this can happen. And I think the lower time frame is not really useful to trade. Like again, okay, now the wave four can start, but I also said this yesterday, I believe, when we were here. So yeah, the wave. I don't know if you really want to take a wave four to the upside. Might not even be starting. We can still extend lower as a wave three. So yeah, that's a difficult one to trade. Then okay, assume that we have upsides here that looks like that start to looks like a wave four, like you have 1, 2, and 3. Yeah, then the danger might be like that that we only had a shallow wave for here, and that it is like this, and then the correction is completed and we actually start a new impulse. So I think the main thing or the main setup to consider or to look for is the one I just described here in the 4 hour. And for now, yeah, I would not really touch the lower time frame, as we have this extended impulse here. This can further extend to the downside, so can be risky. And yeah, either way, like the profits you can make here in the lower time frame will not really be that big. I mean, is it worth the risk? Like if we take the length of our wave 3, yeah, then the wave 4 area is situated here. Yeah, okay, it's a matter of personal preference. So yeah, let's see. I would just be happy if if we could print some data that we can interpret, that gives us some good data for analysis, where we recognize good structures. But this here is we have to wait till we get something that gives us a good indication that we can go long again. That's my opinion. Okay, that's my analysis for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work, and I see you tomorrow for another video.